Welcome to our tutorial on creating an event registration form. We're going to start by using a template from our website as a starting point. Let's kick things off by refining the form's appearance. We'll adjust the background, style, and field layout to achieve the desired look and feel. Now let's streamline the form by removing any fields that are more suited to in-person events, ensuring it's optimized for online registration. Next, we'll enhance user experience by organizing the options in our single choice field into 2 columns for improved readability. To enhance visual appeal, we'll enable drop shadows and adjust text sizes to ensure clarity and professionalism. Moving forward, let's incorporate a product field to facilitate ticket sales for our online event, providing attendees with a convenient purchasing option. Now, let's tailor the product fields to align with our event packages, ensuring a seamless registration experience for our attendees. To boost sales, we'll review our products and apply a 30% discount to our largest tier package. Next, we'll integrate a payment processor into our form. For this demonstration, we'll be utilizing PayPal for secure transactions. Configuring PayPal on our form involves enabling it and providing our email address. Additionally, we'll activate the sandbox for testing purposes. Upon implementation, we'll verify that the discount is correctly applied to the largest package and review the order details for accuracy. To complete the payment process, users will need to log in with their PayPal account. After completing the purchase, they'll be redirected to a confirmation page. Finally, users will receive a copy of the invoice, confirming their successful registration for the event.